Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking on skills to learn to make money online. I'm Alhamdulillah. If you're seeing for the first time, I'm giving you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is to talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. We also talk about life fact as well. So if that's what you're interested in, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and join our family. And also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's dive into this video. The first on my list is content writing. Content writing skill is one of my best skills because I love writing and it's super easy. Content writing doesn't require any qualification or any degree. All it requires is just being ability, the able to write English, the ability to write English. Once you are good at that, then the rest is minor. If you want to start your home, if you have this content writing skill, you can start your blog, you can write for other bloggers, you can even create a gig on Fiverr, Upwork, Let's Work Remotely, any other job board that you think it's out there that you can work on. You can create a gig like ghostwriting job, content writing job. You can serve other people's rights if you don't want to own your own blog, because owning your own blog can be stressing, but it's good if you can do it as a side hustle. You just keep doing it like I'm doing right now. I have a blog, but I'm not publishing every day, but I'm just publishing like twice in a week because of my typing skill. I'm so slow, so I'm just telling you the reality about me. I'm just, because only a blog is actually more profitable. My list is graphic design. If you have flair for colors, you love color combination, you love hearts, you love combining colors, so why don't you go for graphic design? Graphic design skill is also one of the best skills to learn. It's high paying skill, it's a high demanding skill. All you have to do is just to go and learn that skill from a professional graphic designer. You can also learn some tips online. There's Canva has that where you can learn and also design. If you want to start now, you can use Canva and make sure, just if you want to, you want to upgrade from Canva, just go and learn it from basic. When you can design very well, you can be proud of yourself. You can do anything at all to promote yourself, like seriously. And the sweetest thing about graphic design is that you can work remotely. You can work from your country for other countries. All you have to do is just to create a profile of LinkedIn and make it professional. If you do not know how to do it, check other professional profile and just those ones as the guidelines to create yours, and you're good to go. Just keep on promoting yourself on social media accounts and you're good to go. And the third on my list is script writing. Script writing is also one of the best skills to learn to make money online. You can even learn this skill to make money online and offline. All of these skills that I've been saying since money, you can learn it to make money online and offline. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to divide this video into part 1 and part 2. Okay, so as I was saying, the script writing is also one of the best skills to make money online. You don't need to have a degree before you can learn these skills. All you have to do is just knowledge of writing scripts. There are a lot of content creators out there that don't know how to write scripts, but they are good in the screen, or the presence of the screen. They can hack, they can do anything. And there are a lot of content creators who are willing to hire script writer to write them an article, to write them a script. To write them a script. So once you have this skill, then you're good to go. Just make sure you promote yourself on your social media accounts. You can DM your best content creator that you are a script writer, and just introduce yourself to them, show them one of your previous job, your work, and then you're good to go. On my list is video editing and photo editing. Photo editing skills is also one of the best skills to acquire, because there are a lot of people out there that hire video editor or photo editor to edit their pictures, their videos for them. You can create this gig on your Upwork, Let's Work Remotely, Fiverr, any other job board that you think freelancers are using. You can work from there. And this job is, you can do it online and offline. You can edit pictures for your friends, your family. You just have to promote yourself on your social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Create a profile on LinkedIn as well. Just make sure it's professional, it's enticing, so that employer can hire you to edit their pictures and videos for them. And the fifth on my list is typing skill. And do not forget, this video is in part 2. I don't want this video to be too long, and that's why I'm doing it in in part 1 and part 2. So this is the part 1 of the video. I'll be releasing the part 2, and then maybe after this video, maybe the next following day or following, maybe 2 days later. So, so the last on my list is typing skill. Typing skill is also it's also one of the best skills to acquire. If you have a typing skill, you can work as a transcriber, you can write content for others, you can become a blogger. For instance, I have a blog because I'm not good in typing. I don't have a fast typing skill, but I'm still learning. I'm using typing master or rata type, but I prefer typing master because it's easy on my finger. So I don't want to use type rata type. I'm not condemning it. You can try both out and choose the one that is more favorable to you, but I prefer typing master because it's easy on my finger and also it's offline. So but rata type is that you need to upload. I mean, you need to type online. It's online stuff. You can't do it offline. You have to make use of data whenever you are training. So let's keep going. You can work as a transcriber once you have a typing skill. You can write content for other bloggers, but you don't have to worry if you do not want, if you don't have this typing skill, but you want to start this, you want to start your content writing journey, and you don't have a skill. You can make use of Chat GTP. I don't know if you've heard of Chat GTP. It helps to write articles, right? It helps to write anything at all. So guys, that will be the end of today's video, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be uploading the parts of this video in the next 2 days. Okay, see ya in my next video. Bye.